What do you know about fruits and vegetables? Let's learn more about them in this fun game.
Come on, complete the puzzle.
Red.
What's
Like
that?
strawberry. Yellow. Like lemon. Green. Like pear.
Red.
Complete the fruits by dragging orange. It's orange. Kiwi. It's green. Apple. It's red.
Hi.
Look at all the fruits. Drag the color that matches each fruit. Yellow. Lemon.
Okay, come, sit.
Green. Kiwi. Purple. Plum. Orange. Orange. Red. Strawberry. Now let's try it with green. Broccoli. Purple. Eggplant. Red. Tomato. Yellow. Pepper. Yellow. Pepper. Orange. Carrot.
Yay.
Which half belongs to each apple? Apple. Apple.
It's an apple. Yeah,
Lemon.
good job.
Kiwi. Banana. Strawberry. Strawberry. Strawberry.
You have to put in the exact
Strawberry.
spot, huh? There you go. Good job.
Red, tea, minute ago.
Which half belongs to each fruit? Drag fig. 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 Fig.
No, purple next to grape. Next to grape. Next to it.
Fig.
No, other purple. Good.
Fig. Olive.
No. Olive is green. Yeah.
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate is red.
Pomegranate.
Good job.
Date.
The date is brown. Good job.
Grape.
Grape is purple. Good job.
Oh no! The dates and olives are all mixed up. Help me put them in the right...
One. No.
Two.
Okay. Green goes in green. Yeah.
I want
Two.
warrior because I love
Yeah.
and I green
Yeah.
and I green. I got green. I green. I got round. And then round. And then round. Yeah!
Good job.
Looks like the figs and pomegranates have also mixed up.
Gaga. 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 Red. 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 Red.
Can you help me find in the picture 2 lemons, 3 bananas, and 4 pineapples? Tap on what you... Awesome! Awesome! Correct! That's right! Good job! That's it! Way to go! Way to go! Awesome!
It's 4 pineapples.
Fantastic!
2 lemons.
I love fruits and vegetables. How about you? Can you help me find in the picture 2 carrots, 3 apples, and 4 strawberries? Tap on what you find. That's it.
1 carrot.
Correct.
No.
Awesome.
Apples, carrots.
Way to go.
Apples, no. No pears, no pears. Apple and strawberry.
That's
Yeah.
right. Awesome.
Apple,
Good job.
apple.
Fantastic. Correct.
Good job.
Let's learn about matching with primary colors.